Hey everyone, it's Jack Cookie again. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airliner review, and today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Aer Lingus Airbus A320-214. This is Herpa catalog number 518741, and it is a 2011 limited release. It comes in the 1960s retro colors and is a new Generation 5 model. The registration is EI-DVM. And it is powered by two CFM56-5B4/3 engines. It's for the 75th anniversary of Aer Lingus. It's my first and only Aer Lingus, at least so far. There it says there are 1,000 pieces made. Had this one sitting out for a while. I've been meaning to do a review, and I hope everyone's enjoying the little bit of a variety that I'm doing. I'm not doing like a ton of Lufthansas or anything like that, but there you are. There's the plane. Take a look there. It's got the nice 1960s colors on it. It's got the back up here a minute. Alright. Bad thing is sometimes I get too close to it, then stupid me goes and tries to zoom in on it. So right now I'm kind of far back from the plane. Got the APU there in the back. It's open. It's one of the better, the Generation 5 A320 model from Herpa is really good. It's actually got real good, that noise is me hitting the table, it's got real good balance. It doesn't tip back like the older one does. Registration on the wings, or wing. Cargo doors. Yeah, that's it. And it is all metal too, by the way. Take a look there. But that does it for this one. That's your Herpa Aer Lingus A320-214 in the retro colors. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Later, everyone.